This Women's Day, we celebrate the likes of Mamuno Simo. This Women's Day, we're celebrating the women in leadership, women of the Eastern Cape. Women that have, no. This Women's Day, we're celebrating women. Mamuno Simo Balindlela. Mamufezeka Ngomonye. Mamusindiswa Komba. Mamuzukiswa Ncitha. Kubanikana negama likaDabs Mlondleni. Mamunosviwe Maphisa Nqakula. Those are the women that I'm going to talk about today. Let us start with Umamu. You know, the Women's Day belongs to Umamu Winnie. When you think of women in South Africa, women of revolution, we're thinking Umamu Winnie, Madikizela Mandela. Well, I'm not going to speak about her today. I want to speak about those that are still alive and those that are worthy of being celebrated by us. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Igama lami ndingubut Lou, and this is Let's Unpack with Lou. Now, Umamuno Simo Balindlela is the former Premier of the Eastern Cape. Gumama apha wayethanda uchokoza. I think wasebhofolo. Wayethanda uqaba eKhalamine, ahambe ngenyawo, anxibe umbhaco. Gumama that most of each generation yethu and those abasemva, essential, those before me, recognized as the Premier. She was the Premier of the Eastern Cape. I don't remember her politically, bendisemncinci. However, Umamuno Simo ulisebenzela iphondo. Ngela xesha ke bengekho inoma bephunyelwa i-300 rand i-budget ye-province. Those are the women that one day I would love to speak to. I would love to have a conversation with Umama Wesizwe, Umamuno Simo Balindlela. She got fired by the ANC in 2008, if you remember. She was on a state visit eChina. Ndixela bana wava sentsho wava ezindabeni bawugxothiwe as Premier of the Eastern Cape. That is in 2008. And the Secretary General was Utatu Gwede Mandash. The Premier, the former Premier of the Eastern Cape, Nosimo Balindlela, was on a state visit to China when she heard that she's been fired by the ANC. Isebuhlungu ke namhlanje kuba abantu bephondo laseMpuma Koloni babejongela ukhulu kuMamuno Simo Balindlela. I want to celebrate uSisifezeka Ngomonye, the former MEC of Sports, Arts and Culture in the Eastern Cape. She was fired by Premier Oscar Mabuyane in 2022. Sisifezeka Ngomonye gave us Gqeberha the Empire. We've never had a TV production in the Eastern Cape, except for productions that come from Gauteng. So you shoot a content in the Eastern Cape, then broadcast it to the world. Sisifezeka Ngomonye changed the whole industry, brought television to the Eastern Cape for 2 consecutive seasons in her tenure. Fezeka Ngomonye gave us Gqeberha the Empire. We've never heard of a TV production in the Eastern Cape. TV crew, cast of the Eastern Cape became stars. The likes of Lee Boy, the likes of Banu Sister Kazenand, Mfenyane, Dimlebele Kula girl. The likes of that good-looking Unyana Kamxenge. The likes of Unyana Ringo, what's Upila. So many people became something out of the Gqeberha, the Empire production that was brought by Fezeka Ngomonye. Today I'm celebrating women in leadership, women that were wronged by the ANC, women that the history of this province and this nation will never forget. Fezeka Ngomonye was fired and then later replaced by elinye ixhewukazi uNcepsi ubani uNonceba Khontsiwe, then ndabona seyikho girl uSibulele Mngongo. Unfortunately, good leaders get replaced by those that can bafana ne-remote bacontrole kanje. ANC seems to find it okay to replace good leaders with the people that they can control, people that have, I don't want to say abana vision, however, people that asiyiboni into abayenzayo, bangena ezikhundleni abenzi nix. The ANC finds those people better suitable to lead us, the citizens. Today I want to celebrate the controversial Mama Sindiswa Komba. I need to recognize Mama. Nina ke nizawumazi as uNomsuzwana wasuze TV. You will remember as it yandidikwe. You know, that's how you're going to remember Umama Sindiswa Komba. However, I'm going to recognize Umama Sindiswa Komba today because she was, or she is, a leader elected by the branches of the ANC, by the people of the Eastern Cape. Sindiswa Komba gets fired by Premier Oscar Mabuyane in 2021 over a scandal salamngcwabo kaMandela. Ekhumbula masikwakiwe KFC kuqashwe ibhasi, umngcwabo waba millions and millions and millions of rands. You will remember Umama Sindiswa Komba for a scandal sezikuta ezizikazwele Mkhize. You will remember uSindiswa Komba. Politics have not been kind to Umama Sindiswa Komba. She got fired particularly for the Mandela scandal. Undibuze ke into yokubana la mali yesingcwabo sikaMandela uMasindi wayitya yedwa. Ngeli xesha a-approva kutyiwe imali. Madoda. I don't want to be too controversial. Ndiluma ndivuthela up. If I were, I would play for you a video of the former Secretary General of the ANC, Kubanani Lwase Free State, Ace Magashule, where he says, in fact, I'm gonna do it. Let's find the video. Hayi naye unezakhe, but ikhona le video. I once did a story about it. Hey, kuthini disappearish?
Political woes mount. Suspended ANC Secretary General Ace Magashale's troubles are mounting after ANC Eastern Cape chairperson Oscar Mabayan threatened to take legal action over what he believes is defamation of his character. Mabayan also said he would pursue internal campaign to talk and had denied benefiting from the proceeds of corruption at the time. He again denied this on Saturday. The Eastern
Why excuse me. Kutheni na la article ka Ace Magashule ethetha ngoMabu ingasaveli? Hang on, I've got to play this.
Objected on, and also the president of
The LISCOM, the provinces about any white company which has consistently, so that space in court, that's where I will actually, and it won't be long, soon, and late.
I'm sorry, but it seems that the former Secretary General of the ANC, where he's exposing the current Premier of the Eastern Cape, inodibene nebhegi yemali and the, all the shenanigans, they were exposed, as were exposed one team. Zazithethwa nguPremier, sorry, zazithethwa ngu-Ace Magashule, the former Secretary General of the ANC. However, it seems that the video now has disappeared. I wanted to rather, I'm still focusing on the women of the Eastern Cape that have been wronged by the ANC, that have been unfairly treated by the ANC. NdikuSindiswa Gomba, ndiyabuza. Did Sindiswa eat the money all by herself? It's Sindiswa Gomba, uZukiswa Ncitha, that have been a sacrificial lamb of the ANC. Kulando Mandela, isinqobo sikaMandela scandal. Those are women that the history is not going to forget. Those are women that have been wronged by the African National Congress. Those are women that have been part of the African National Congress's Women's League. But to this day, the Women's League has not ayizange ilwele nomfazi abemnye. Unbuze ke into kubana yenzelwe ntoni i-Women's League? Is it just for positioning people for deployment? What is the Women's League of the ANC for? Now, Zukiswa Ncitha was fired or part of the scandal sokugiwa kwemali kaMandela around 2013. Uzibuze ke into yokokubana, did anyone ever listen to their story, or they were threatened by the court of law, NPA, who is controlled by the ANC, by the way? That is an allegement. That is an allegation that I'm making. The NPA is controlled by the ANC leaders. The NPA is controlled by the leaders of the ANC. And the law of South Africa is not independent. That is an allegation I'm making, considering things that are happening, because the ANC leaders are using the law to push their political agendas here in South Africa, in the ANC, and particularly in the Eastern Cape. Now, Zukiswa Ncitha was a mayor around 2011, 2015, and she was implicated in that Mandela funeral scandal also, just like uSindiswa Gomba. I believe they both down and out right now. Lastly, I have a woman that I wish to say Happy Women's Day to. Before the final one, let me speak on uZukiswa Faku. Yena ke uGoogle uthi she's been convicted of fraud. Convicted of fraud. Do you realize how severe, how damaging, how big that sounds? Kubana kuthiwe you are a convicted fraudster. Ndithetha ngoZukiswa Faku ke. Now, between me and you, uZukiswa Faku gets convicted of fraud for using a credit card yakhe ebhatalwa ngumasipala. I don't know much about local government, but I believe when the mayor is given a credit card, uyawuthini ungatyiwa stairs, sentsho uyawuthini ungaswipe kuloo ndawo funeka uswipe kuyo, akaswipe angatywala uZukiswa Faku. However, she got convicted of fraud for using a credit card yakhe kamasipala. That is the ANC for you, and those are women that we will never forget, that we will celebrate, that we recognize, regardless of the ANC being unfair towards them. And finally, I wish to speak about Umamu Nosiviwe Mapisa Nqakula, who is currently standing for trial corruption. Mamu Nosiviwe Mapisa Nqakula becomes a sacrificial lamb in the ANC. If you remember, Bathabile Dlamini said, all of us in that NEC, we have our Malanyana skeletons. All of us. So all of them have their skeletons. And Umamu Nosiviwe Mapisa Nqakula happens to be the sacrificial lamb of the ANC. You will ask yourself, why her? Why her? Because all of them have things against one another. Omnye uyasazi scandal somnye, omnye uyasazi scandal somnye. It's a matter of time before omnye release a scandal somnye. It happened that Umamu Nosiviwe Mapisa Nqakula be the sacrificial lamb. Between me and you will want to know into yokubana wacapukisa bani, who did she offend in the ANC? On the podcast with Dr. Mbuyiseni Ndlozi, Umamu Nosiviwe Mapisa Nqakula says she was sold out by the president, Cyril Ramaphosa. You can go watch for yourself. Now, in conclusion to this particular women's insert, I like to call my podcasts inserts. In the celebration of women, I want to close it with saluting Umama Winnie Madikizela Mandela. As imperfect as the history paints her, Kumama Wesizwe, she is the mother of our nation in South Africa. I want to say salute. May her soul rest in power. Abandla. I want to salute Umama Nkosazana Dlamini Zuma. She is very much alive. She is still fighting from within, and akayenda war in the ANC. I believe she's the black sheep of the ANC right now, as she's disagreeing with the administration, with the leadership of the president, Cyril Ramaphosa. But why is she not getting fired? It was powerful. And akunoba lula uxotha uDlamini Zuma. And lastly, I'm sorry, but I'm not going to recognize Umama Sisisi Dolashe for what she did to Ulumka Oliphant. I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. She's not worthy. Women's celebration. But she does not deserve to be recognized by myself. Inxeba liselitsha lento wayezenza okanye ebezenza engu-Minister of Social Development. With all those women, I wish to say amandla. May the spirit of Sarah Batman, ubani lo mama umxenge ndiyabalibala ke oku, Hazel, Suze, yo hayi andizubazi bonke, but those women of revolution give you strength. We celebrate you. We love you, Mamonosimo Balindlela. We love you, Sisfezeka Ngombonye. We love you, Masindi Esama Pride. We love you, Sisukiswa Ncitha. Sisukiswa Fako. Mamunosphiwe, Nosviwe Maphisa Nqakula. We see you. Mamoya Ke Queenana. We see you. There's many women that have been wronged by the politics, and I wish to recognize them. Igama lam ke ayisuka niyalazi ndingubhotlu ndingunolali wekunqayi, and this was a special broadcast to recognize and celebrate South African female leaders that have been wronged by the ANC, by the revolution, by sistruggle lento skuyo. Sistruggle lento skuyo. Sanjuba sistruggle. They've been wronged by the men, by the packet within the ANC. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel, commenting, sharing the podcast, and we're gonna speak on a regular basis on this platform. Have a great Women's Day. Okay, bye.